I will be demonstrating how to model circular and semicircle reinforced concrete slab using Protastructure in this video. You are welcome. Let us start. So we are going to be doing this real quick, and this is Protastructure version 2025 I'm using for this presentation. We navigate to the modeling tab and then we click on the cycle, pick a point, identify the radius by pressing F2 on the keyboard, and then you key in the provision 5000 for the radius of the cycle. Enter on the keyboard and click to have the cycle. That is a full or complete cycle. All right, we are going to be modeling a semicircle, so we pick on the arc right there, pick the first point, and then identify the distance of the semicircle. For instance, let's say it is this distance 5. Okay, identify the radius as well by pressing F2, so you can key in the radius in the provision. I will say 4000 millimeters in this case, just like this. Okay, so we need to close this semicircle using the polyline. Picked it right there, zoom closely, pick the first point, and then you pick the second point, right click and close, right click again, and finished. All right, so we have a complete cycle and a semicircle. All right, so we want to model the slab right away inside of these two provisions. All right, then we proceed to the slab option, but by then you need to come to the loading provisions, load cases and combinations, generate, and then okay. All right, then we proceed to the modeling tab again, and then the slab options, the provision for the height or thickness of the slab, key in 300 for the sake of these presentations. For the loading, depending on the purpose of the structure. All right, so I will be using this loading provision successfully. That is okay. Now to insert the slab, come to the insertions provision, click in this drop down menu, pick closed slab edge option, pick that, and then click on this cycle to have the slab inserted successfully. The same thing applicable for the semicircle slab. You can see I close this. If I navigate to the 3D, you can see that we have a complete, perfect, solid circular slab model successfully, as well as the semicircle. So this can be applicable in the design of your building or other structure successfully, which we may be looking at it subsequently. We stop here. Do not forget to check the link in the description of this video. There is another link right there for group chat and a link to be able to request for a masterclass that is ongoing on Protastructure and Essential Masterclass. So we advise you to join the masterclass and as well join the group chat, the WhatsApp group chat, so you can learn and also demonstrate your knowledge. Thank you. We see in the next presentation. Have a great day and bye for now.